after the factory visits. The client was truly overwhelmed and filled with awe as they visited the factory and experienced the range of capacity lifts installed throughout the premises. It was evident that this experience meant a lot to them.
Today we had got Runwal Group among with us. Mr. Prasad Kulkarni, he's instrumental in dealing all those, drawing GADs and all those things as the project management. And he is very much elaborative, very much focused on each and every aspects of the parameters and all, just to get to know how ESCON performs, how every instrument of the ESCON performs, every division performs. I really appreciate this particular snack set, and after scrutinizing, if I say you, is ESCON capable of handling the volume cells? How do you feel?
Definitely. First of all, I would like to thank ESCON Elevators and Mr. Somendu.
Thank you, sir.
To call us upon the factory inspection and have a business relationship. From the morning, we went to ESCON head office.
Sure.
We saw some sites. Means where the work has been already.
Yeah, the Godrej and Maharashtra
are already tested and commissioned, and we have checked the lift. I think we have went to that Maharashtra
Fiber Cell Police House, which is the instrument
all the great lift observation. We have traveled in that lift. Absolutely no noise, no vibrations. Entire ambience is very pretty, and we are very happy for that. Afterwards, when we came for the factory, we seen very good management by the factory staff. Each and every components are segregated, and it is placed very nice way. And even if you are outsourcing some of the parts, some of the components, we are really happy that you are testing each and every component.
Exactly.
And you are assuring the ESCON guarantee over that by testing and commissioning. That is a great
one of the endeavor, sir.
Endeavor. And just Rakesh sir spoken about the car lift. Actually, I am very much glad to see that lift, because I have never seen such huge lift in my entire career.
So somebody can manufacture huge machine to.
There is the Helmer, which is coming in the basement. That is also a very good surprise for us, and we are really thankful, and we will look forward for a positive collaboration and with both of our businesses.
Thank you.
And I will definitely best luck to ESCON, Somendu ji, and factory team. Thanks a lot.